guys, what's up? Amanda Ray here, and thanks for tuning into the channel. Today is going to be a one of two parts. We are starting the install on the lights, which is going to go right up here on all those, all the way across in the RV. So right now, the only light we have out here is this little fog light, and we call that Bob. I don't know why we call it Bob. It's pretty funny. It times out on us, and we have to literally like stand up and start walking just for it to turn back on. So we are going to be starting to put in all the brackets that we need, and all the brackets are these ones here, you can see, and we've got the screws. We are going to do some measuring first so that way they're all aligned, and we'll get it started. Soon enough, it'll be like a spaceship up in here. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to measure where we're going to put all the brackets for the lights. So they're going to go on these middle, all the way down, and there's two brackets per light. So right now we're going to go up and measure the length between this beam and that beam, and we're going to go right in the middle for the brackets. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that now, and then we'll show you our little cheat way of how we're going to make sure it's all even. I literally have to get on the very top almost just to reach it. It's a little sketchy. I might not be able to do much today, but it'll be interesting. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Alright, I think I can measure from here. I'll have to go all the way up. So it's measuring about 35, because you have to go on the inside of this. So 35 is perfect. So half of 35 is 17 and a half-ish. And that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go down so I don't die. This is so sketchy. All right, now comes the fun part. This cardboard is what came with the lights, so it's literally the same size as the lights, which is perfect. We're going to use this and measure out the 17.5, and that is what we're going to use as a cheat. So it's going to be great. Alright, so approximately right there is where we're going to be doing the bracket every single time. So right here, we'll stick it in, and that's where the bracket's going to go. This is creepy. Alright, so right there, that's where the light's going to go. I can barely reach it. I'd have to go up one more, and it's super sketchy. So I'm going to let Brad do most of the hard work. I'm going to be the support. Alright, now comes the hard part.
You gotta think you're in the Wild Wild West.
What? You're not loaded on this one. You're not loaded on either of them.
I don't have no guns.
You got no ammo. Yoshi, you just got killed. Alright, let's get this party started. The sun is going down, so we'll be able to actually see, because it's blinding us right now. And we'll be able to get out this golf ball that's been stuck up in the RV since we bought the house over a year ago. We've just been leaving it up there because it's just, you know, decor. We live right behind a driving range that's on the other side of this back rock wall, and we get hit by golf balls all the time. My caddy got hit once. It's very upsetting.
Right on this one or on a different one?
Alright, so that's perfect. 17.5. And you're right on the edge. No. Yes. Why are you shaking?
I'm scared.
You're scared? They're going back now.
Good?
Now we gotta move the sketchy ladder. It's actually a pretty sweet ladder. It's called a Little Giant. You can do like all different kind of maneuvers with it. It's called Little Giant Ladder System.
Alright, where am I? Which one am I going on?
The second one. Yeah. So we did have to adjust our drill just a little bit and get a bigger bit. And now the first one's officially going in. Just make sure it's nice and straight.
It's gonna move.
Why? Is it in there? I don't feel like it should move. Oh, because it's not a self-tapping screw? You want self-tapping screws. Alrighty, so we had to take a quick little break because the screws that it came with are not self-tapping screws, which is not a big deal, but we don't like the way it fits. It's a little loose when it's drilled completely in. So it just gave us these little screws. And we're gonna go to Lowe's and get the same size and self-tapping. So, we'll be back. And this is what I call my home away from home, guys, because I practically live here. Alrighty, guys, so we just got back from Lowe's, and we decided to get self-tapping screws. We got these ones. They are number 8 by 1/2 inch, and they are a lot tighter of a snug up there. You're so confident on that ladder, dude. What'd you forget? Alright. It's going up, up, up. We didn't pre-drill that one, did we?
Yeah.
We did? Oh, okay. Right size? Get your finger?
Yeah.
Snug?
Snug like a bug in a rug.
Here comes the first light. We're gonna test it.
Snug like a bug in a rug with a hug.
This, we're gonna see how straight you did.
This is a lightsaber. Be careful. Excuse me.
Lightsaber going up. You know. Press in.
Hold on, you gotta grab this.
I gotta
You gotta do a death-defying.
push.
That's it. That's right.
It's actually good.
There. So that's what it'll look like.
Okay. So essentially, guys, the time frame it took us to do one light because we had to get different screws. But that's what it's gonna look like. Right there. Boom. 1 down, 19 to go. Alright guys, so as you can kind of see, it is getting dark outside. We're losing light. We're still working on putting all the lights up there, but it is dark up there. So we are going to plug in some of the lights and fix them up so we are able to see. And I'm just going to show you what Bob does. This is the light he'll eventually turn on. For some reason he wants us to walk all the way over here just to turn on. And that's it. So this is the lighting that we have currently. This is all it gives us. Gives us no lighting back there where the Evo is. Eventually the white Evo will come inside once the silver Evo gets the head back on. And we've got no lighting right here. So we're just gonna get some quick lighting up and above. God, that's great. Okay. So
I need,
that is tremendous. Just that one little light lights all of that up. Okay. So, alright guys, so we're just doing a mid-mounting update of putting all the brackets and the lights on. Right now, as you can tell, it's completely dark behind me. We don't even have the bob light on right now. So we only have 6 installed of the 20. It's taken some time, but we're being very tedious because we want it to be straight. So here is 6 of the 20, guys. It is crazy bright. You ready? Alright, go. Oh my god. This is 6 of the 20.
That's so crazy.
It almost lights up the whole RV garage. That is 6 of the 20, guys. It's so bright you can't even see anything up there. You just see brightness. So 6 of the 20, guys. It is insane. They are LED, so they have super long loops right there because that's the length that they give you. So you could stretch them out essentially, but we wanted it to be the whole length of the RV garage. So we got to figure out how to shorten those or maybe tie them up underneath. This is just a quick, so you guys can see what it's like. That is insane. Hold on, let me go all the way down the driveway. Hold on. Damn, that is bright. That is crazy. Crazy. Thumbs up. Alrighty guys, so we've got the 6 on right now. We just did 6 more. So now we are about to unplug these 6, or at least half of the 6, and then plug in the other 6 with it. So you're about to see 12 lights. It is going to be crazy bright. I cannot wait. So this is 6. Just for reference. Okay, so right now we've got the power light of Bob on. So that's the light that we were working with before, and now we've got 12 of the lights mounted, not hardwired yet. It will be hardwired to a switch inside once we're done, but for now we just wanted to show you guys what this is in part 1. It is absolutely insane. Ready when you are.
Ready?
Yep. Holy mother of God.
Oh. Bro.
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 That is 12 lights, y'all.
That's freaking nuts, dude.
The whole thing is lit.
Dude. Bro, it's a freaking airport company.
Seriously, that's crazy.
Dude, that's sick.
Nice and straight too. Just so you guys know, this lighting up here, 200 bucks. Crazy cheap. Alrighty guys, so we are officially done putting up all 20 lights. It is super bright. We still have to tuck all the wires. So you can see we have all the wires kind of like dangling right now. We're gonna get all those tucked, and then we're gonna get some junction boxes, I think right where Brad's standing right now. Right here? Okay, so like right around here, because you're only allowed to do 6 per junction. So we're gonna have 4 junctions. And it's gonna be timed to the light that controls our little fog light here, which is on the inside next to the sandblaster. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what the final look is. I am super excited. It's gonna get really dark first, and then you guys will be able to see everything. So here we go. Go. Boom. Here it is, one final look at our airstrip. Eventually, we might move the 4-post out here. We already have an outlet for it. I think it'll be great.
We have an outlet for freaking another 2-post if we need it.
We don't need another 2-post.
I know.
Dyno. So we are gonna close out this video, guys. Thank you again for watching. We appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next, and I'll see you guys. Bye.